I'm going to show you a few ways that I use maths for my job. Can you guess what I do? I'm in a laboratory, I'm wearing a lab coat, I'm a scientist. I'm a scientist at the University of Aberdeen and I use maths every single day. Without maths, none of my experiments would work and I wouldn't get the results that I wanted. So it's really important. Let me show you a few ways that I use maths. First thing I'm going to show you is how I use maths to turn this liquid into a gel. First, I use this cylinder to measure the volume of my liquid. As you can see, I'm pouring the liquid into my cylinder and I'm measuring out 50 millilitres. Next, I need to add some of this powder called agarose. By adding this powder to my liquid, it will make it turn into a gel. Let's do some quick maths. If I want a 3% gel and I have 100 millilitres, how much powder would I need? So what is 3% of 100? It's 3. So I add 3 grams of my powder to the liquid. This will make a 3% gel. Once I've mixed everything together, I heat it up in a microwave until it starts to boil. Then I pour the heated mixture into this mould which I made earlier. Now, what if I wanted a 1% gel, but my volume was 50 millilitres? How much powder would I need? It's 0.5. Did you get it right? Let's have a look at the 1% gel first. You can see it's really wobbly. If I'm not careful, it breaks. Let's look at the 3% gel. It's much harder and much less likely to tear. So I might want to use a 1% gel or a 3% gel depending on my experiments. So it's really important I know how to make these. For my project, I work with baby chickens and baby fish. In fact, these are so young that the chickens haven't even hatched from the egg yet. At this point, they're called embryos. First, I take an egg out of the fridge and heat it up at 38 degrees Celsius. How old do you think the chicken inside of this egg is? What about this egg? Do you think they're the same age? It's hard to tell, isn't it? So I'm going to open these eggs up and we can have a look inside to see how old they are. Here is a young embryo. Can you see its heart beating? This one's a little bit older. Can you still see the heart? They do look a little different, so it is important that I know how long to heat the eggs up for so that I can get the perfect age for my experiments. I use maths to plan ahead and to think, I need an egg in 2 days or in 3 days. So that is just a few examples of where I use maths in the laboratory. Maths is extremely important for my job and I use it every single day and for every single experiment. Without maths, my experiments wouldn't work. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you have any questions, please send them to me and I'll do my best to answer them. Bye!